Sign-ins in Google Chrome can help you keep work and home stuff separate. I do this using icons pinned to my taskbar. On the left, I have an icon for work. That tiny image there helps remind me which is my work ID. When I click it, it takes me to Virtual Libraries, my home page, opens up my work bookmarks, work extensions. I can see this is my work by the icon in the top corner, which shows my address here. These three vertical dots, when I click it, shows me that this is managed by TDSB. In contrast, when I click the other icon, I get a different home page, different bookmarks, different image to remind me of which browser version I'm using. And when I click the dots, I don't get a TDSB notification. So how did I do that? Let me show you. To add a new profile to Google Chrome, go to the top corner and click the icon to the left of the three dots. Here, click Add. To create your profile, start by giving it a name. I leave this checked because I do want to have a desktop shortcut. And click Add. Click the link at the bottom to sign in to Chrome and sign in using your work information. This is a machine that I use at home. It's personal. I'm fine with saving this password. And I'm fine with saving this password on this device. Now I'm going to sign into Chrome. This allows me to sync bookmarks, history, and passwords to the Chrome account. I'm going to verify that it's me. And I'm going to OK linking my Chrome data. And I'm going to OK turning on sync. This means that whenever I sign into Chrome, it will carry my bookmarks with me. I'm also going to make sure that I do this verification. And now my icon appears in the corner. When I click, I can see that that's my ID. I can also see when I click here that this account is managed by TDSB. To pin to your taskbar, if that's what you want, with the browser window open, just right-click and pin to taskbar. When I minimize all these windows too, I can see that I've created a shortcut on my desktop with my image. Hope that helps someone out there. Hope you're all keeping well.